Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some of the key features from CapCut. Whether you're new to video editing or you have been editing for a while, CapCut offers a wide range of features that make the editing process so much easier and more efficient. In this video, I'll walk you through the top 5 features of CapCut that can help you take your video editing skills to the next level. Let's get started. So the first feature is auto captions, and I think this is one of the most powerful features of CapCut. So this feature is perfect for anyone who creates content that needs subtitles. Instead of typing captions manually, CapCut's auto caption takes the audio in your video and generates captions in real time. This not only saves you time, but it also helps improve accessibility, making your content available to viewers who may have hearing impairments or who are watching video without sound, like we all do, sometime when you're on the trains or, planes. Plus, you can easily adjust the font, style, and placement of captions to match your video's aesthetics. Okay, so for this, what you would do is you will go to your media folder on CapCut. You will then come down and just the video that you want to turn into auto captions, you will simply just drag it onto your timeline, and then all you have to do is literally select the video. You come here at the top in the text section, and once you're in the text section, you come down onto the left to auto captions. So you tap on auto caption, and all you do is you just select the source language that you want to convert into auto captions and just simply press on create. And as you do it, you will see that you will now have all your speech, converted into these auto captions. So let's have a look.
If you're a content creator and have a burning desire to create content,
okay, you get the idea. Now all you do is you come to the right side. So if you look here on the right side on the inspector, you will see the captions. And here you can see it's pretty much everything, all the auto captions from the video. Now, what you can do is sometimes there are errors with punctuations and grammar. Not so much grammar, but the punctuation. So all you can do is you can just come and have a quick look to make sure that, all the text, all the auto captions make sense. If you don't like anything, you can, just select them, copy them and move them up or down, depending on where exactly you want, which frame you want to display the auto caption in. And yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can see, this is the entire, this is the entire speech from the video. Okay, so there you have it. Auto captions, very easy. Literally takes like a second. All of this used to take almost, it used to take like hours in Final Cut Pro or Premiere Pro. So thanks very much to this, this new technology. It just made my life so much more easier. Next, we have the green screen effect, also known as the background removal tool. This feature allows you to remove or replace background of your video. This is a fantastic feature for content creators who want to enhance the video with dynamic background or create more professional looking content without needing expensive equipment. So for green screen, what you can do is it's pretty straightforward process as well. So to do that, let me just drag the video where I want the green screen effect. So let's say I have this video that I took from Iceland, and maybe let's say I want to show some snow in the background, right? It doesn't have to be snow. I mean, it could be anything. One of the benefits of CapCut is you have so much inventory, so much extra stuff that comes with the platform itself. You don't really need to go to an external website to just download all these, extra effects. So on the media folder, if you come down to library, under library, you will see green screen. Here you have, let's say if I want, snow falling. So, okay, there are different kinds of snow here. So let's just say if we pick this one, right? It's a green screen effect, and that's what we're trying to do. So you drag it down onto your timeline, okay? And then you can really just, increase or decrease the length or the duration of the green screen effect, because you might not want to put it on the entirety of the video. You might want to put it in a certain section. So Once you've selected the green screen, now how do you then make that green color disappear and just show snow? So one way you can do it is, I mean the only way is, you select the green screen video, you then come out to the right side, and if you go to cutout here and then you select chroma key. Once you select chroma key, you will then have to pick the color that you want to remove from that layer. So you click on the color picker, and now you can select the green, color. So once you click on that, and then you can increase the strength and then the shadow part as well. So I think sometimes it's better to just leave the shadow, slightly, so then you don't have just rough edges. But let's say the snow, I don't want it too intense, and I want to make sure the green color is completely removed. So I will maybe increase it here, and let's see what that does. Okay, so that's better slightly. Let's say if I increase it, so let's say if the strength was really low, and now you see, you can still see the green color, right? So to remove the green color completely, in this case, I will have to go and increase the strength slightly in the chroma key section. And if we see now, okay, so it's very subtle. Okay, so that's it. Now, this is just one example, but for example, if you have, let's say, a talking head video, let's say I have this under the video, and I want to add maybe, let's say money's, let's say dollar notes onto the screen. So all I would do is I'll select the video. Again, I'll go out to library, select green screen. Okay, I already have some money here. So just for showing purpose, if you drag that green screen video down onto your timeline just above the video, you can just place it however or whichever place you want to show those dollar notes. Okay, so now you can see the dollar notes, but then how do I add those dollar notes onto my screen? So you go and select the video, the green screen video. Once you've selected it, again, come down to chroma key. You select chroma key on the right side under video library in cutout subfolder. You select chroma key, and now you click on color picker again. You select green, and now you can just increase the strength. Strength is essentially, if you look at the edges of the notes, once I increase the strength, you will see green completely removed. Right, so in this case, I want it completely removed. And then for shadows, you can see if you want rough edges or you want just like a light feather. So let's have a look. Okay, so there you have it, right? Okay, so that's green screen effect, another extremely good feature for CapCut. Hope you guys like it, and make sure you try it in your next video. I mean, that's the only way you can get used to these, these new features, because CapCut has tons of features. Unless you practice those, it's very difficult for you to kind of, get hang of everything. So make sure you do practice that and use it in your next video. It doesn't have to be dollar bills, could be anything.
Feature number 3, speed adjustment. The speed adjustment feature is a great tool for adding dramatic effect to your videos. Whether you want to speed up or slow down specific sections, this feature allows you to adjust the speed of your clips with precision. Slowing down a clip can help emphasize important moments or add an emotional touch, while speeding up certain sections can make your content more engaging, especially for fast-paced or action scenes. This flexibility is especially useful in sports videos, tutorial, or other sort of videos where pacing matters.
Okay, so to do speed adjustment, it's quite simple. So let's say I have this video from Bali, just a surfing video I took near one of the beaches. Now, as you can see that there is this surfer, right?
Now, one way to increase the speed is simply select the video. On the right side in the inspector, you come to speed, and then you have normal speed settings where you can simply just increase the speed. So let's say what this does. Right, so as you can see now, the video has shrunk the total duration. So let's see what happens. Okay, not exactly what we want. So let's say if we have it somewhere in the middle. Okay, better, but still not good. So the best way to do this is if you go to the next section, which is curve, right? Now here you can really play with the speeds. You can really hold the action where you want it to, and you can increase the speed, where necessary. So here you have different options. You have customize, where you can quickly go and customize the speed, in certain sections. You can increase it. You can, you can make the, action go faster. So let's say if I use customize, or you have these different, waveforms, right? Again, you can adjust these as well, right? So let's say we use customize, right? And here you can just, the straight bar, you can, it's almost like a timeline, right? So here you can see the speed, it's flat. So let's say if I increase it here, so I want it to go fast. Okay, so here it's fast. And then this certain section, I want it to go slow to sort of really pause the action. And here, I want it to go fast again. So these bar, I don't know what you call them, but you can really just, increase the speed. So the peaks mean it's going faster, and then, these downs mean it's going slow. So let's have a look again. Okay, something like that. So this is something that you can just play with. Okay, so there you have it. Speed ramp, again, another feature that's very easy to use. Lots of different options for you to choose from. Some, where you already have the curve, so you don't need to, customize it. In most cases, these should be sufficient, but then you can just play with it and just make sure that you just do it just with purpose. That's the key thing with speed ramp. Feature number 4. Now this is not so much of a feature, but this is just a general part of CapCut, the trending effect and filters. CapCut is known for its vast collection of trending effect and filters, making it easy to stay current with video trends, especially on platforms like TikTok or Instagram. These effects include everything from fun transitions to glitch effects and color filters that instantly give your video a polished professional look. These effects are a great way to make your videos more visually appealing, and you can apply them with just a few taps. Feature number 5, music and sound library. Finally, let's talk about CapCut's music and sound library. Having the right music or sound effects in your video can make a huge difference in setting the tone and keeping your audience engaged. CapCut provides a large selection of royalty-free music tracks and sound effects that you can easily add to your videos. This feature allows you to sync the music to your clips seamlessly, ensuring that your transition and key moments align perfectly with the audio. Whether you are creating a high-energy montage or calming travel videos, you'll find right sounds in CapCut's library. So those are the top 5 features of CapCut that can help elevate your video editing game. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your content, CapCut is a powerful tool that's easy to use and comes with all the features you need to create your stunning videos. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Like I said, I am a new CapCut user myself, so I will be, playing with the tool a lot more in the coming few days, and we'll see how it goes.
Let me know in the comment below which CapCut features you find the most useful, or if you have any questions. I'm here to help. So see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.